Hello guys, we are back again, new day with new video, in which you will get a lot of information about Forex trading. All the strategies used in my videos are absolutely free for all. Don't pay you any money for that. In this video we'll do gold trading and come out with good profit. Before taking a trade, identify the trend as to what was the trend in history, and which will make it easier for you to make accurate predictions of trends in the future. I'll turn time frame into 30 minutes, which will make it easier to draw trend line. We will take the first step trend line and apply it on the higher low being made for the last few days. We'll take trend line as far back as we can, so that we can get the right position. Most important of all analysis process, it is trend line. All our analysis rests on this trend line. Now another trend line will set even higher high point than that in same style. Trend channel always plays an important role in analysis. The market was in an uptrend for the last 20 days. The market come up with support as we created a trend channel. Our trend channel is working properly at this place. But the market gave a breakout here with full volume. Sellers dominated this place compared to buyers, due to which the market fell straight down 150 pips. We will take advantage of this here, we can get selling opportunity. Now we have to draw support resistance level. For this we will use the rectangle tool. This place has a strong level where the market has repeatedly reversed. This level has reacted as far as our top trend line is. Support resistance level is always formed where most of the market has reversed. This is a very strong level. The market has reversed here. Here too the reverse gave a breakout. Here too the resistance went up by making support. The market is acting as a support in all these places, and now preparing to break it down, where we are getting good sell opportunity. Here we see the powerful candlestick pattern, who is pointing towards selling. First take trend line and place it at this place, because the market is making a lower high at a smaller level here. Now take another trend line, which will be connected on the following being made higher low. Here the candlestick bearish pennant pattern is being formed. This pattern always indicates the market going down. We will also take further trades below. Such patterns always give strong indication, which is rarely found in the market. You can go through history and find such patterns, and you can practice, by which you can take trade at any time in the future if such a pattern is made. Here the market can break the downward trend line because the market has consolidated too often. If the market breaks the lower trend line, then it will go down from here. It is a high probability trade. According to our analysis, the market will go down from here. If we look at 4-hour time frame, the market is going strong downwards here. Also we will draw the trend channel. Take another trend line with this and put it on the lower low. This will give us the support resistance point of exact trend line. If your analysis is correct, then no one can stop you from making profit. Always work on your psychology and make it as good as you can. Only two skills are important in trading: risk management in first skill and second skill, psychology. Let us go ahead. Now we have to draw the supply demand area. For this again we will take the rectangle tool and draw multiple time from it on reverse level. This level has also reacted in history. Earlier it was working as support, later breaking it and reacting like resistance. We have analyzed from all angles in small time frame, but on big time frame, gold is a high volatile pair in which both trading and analysis are difficult. Fake breakout get hit many times due to high volatility. High percentage chance market will go down from here because the market has done all the steps of our analysis well. If the market gives a trend line breakout, then we will go back to buying. There is another small support resistance level where the market is now. Market multiple times reverse has happened at this place too. This point is important for us. If we make even the slightest mistake, we will hit our losses. Let's place trades on time frame for 15 minutes. We have done the analysis right and leave everything on the market. I have deposited $4,500 in this account. We will try to grow the account as much as we can. I will increase the lot size. I have already calculated the risk. I am taking 0.09 lot here with proper risk management. Meets after placing a trade. Okay guys, right now my loss is running $58. Let's see how long we can hold the trade. The market has now made preparations to give breakout on the bearish pennant pattern. 80 to 90% of the market will go down from here because trend line has already given breakout, from which we are getting double confirmation that the market will go down from here. Here is the trend channel. Inside the trend channel, let me explain by drawing. Here too the market was moving upwards, making higher high, higher low. This is the beauty of the market. Another trend will be found inside the trend. Another trend will be found inside it. Goes on like this. Our entry is on time. If the market goes according to us, then we will make a lot of profit. If the market turns against us, the stop loss will be hit. Okay guys, till here our work ends. My stop will be above this pattern, which is 73 pips up, and my target point is 125 pips below where we took the trade. My loss has increased from $58 to $167. I quickly place stop loss and target that will make it easier for you to understand. Our work is over now. It's market work. Hit the stop loss or hit the target. We have taken the right trade according to us. No one knows what can happen in future. Let's meet after some time. Guys, our analysis was correct. Target was hit after 28 hours 32 minutes. This is a very long time for a trade. It takes a lot of patience that comes from practice. You too can make good profit by doing such practice. The market took support here time and again, which led to consolidation, and the market went back up. Had taken resistance here again and again to form a small new support resistance zone, but later the market broke it and hit our target. The market is going down sharply, giving a very strong breakout. The market will go down further. I am closing my trade. My target is already achieved. We shouldn't be too greedy, otherwise the market punishes us very badly. My profit is $2,180, which is very good. Always follow your rules and exit the trade as soon as the target is hit.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but these
I had deposited $4,500, which has grown to $6,747. This profit is 50% of our account, which is half. The market respect to our setup. The market went the same way we analyzed. You can also take trades on candlestick pattern and practice. Hope to learn something from this live trading video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
Welcome to unrealization. We can prepare to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I feel like we're the nation. To raise the flag and do the preparation. Welcome to